morning students. Today we discuss the new topic motion of system of particles and rigid bodies. The introduction of the rigid bodies. In our day-to-day life, most of the objects consist of large number of particles. In the previous lesson, we studied the motion of the bodies without considering their size and shape. So we have treated even the bulk modulus as only point object. In this lesson, we important to the size and shape of the bodies. These bodies are actually made up of large number of particles. The force acting on these bulk bodies are classified into internal and external force. Internal force are the force acting among the particles within a system that consists of the body. External force are the force acting on the particle of a system from outside. A rigid body is the one which maintains its definite and fixed shape even when an external force acts on it. It means the interatomic distance do not change in a rigid body when an external force is applied. In real life situation, the bodies which are not ideally rigid because the shape and size of the body change when force act on them. Now we are going to see the topic center of mass. When a rigid body moves, all the particles that constitute the body need not take the same path. Depending on the type of motion, different particles of the body may take different path. For example, when a wheel rolls on a surface, the path of the center of point of the wheel and the path of the other point of the wheels are different. In this unit, we studied about the translation motion, rotational motion and the combination of this motion of rigid body in detail. Now we are going to see the topic center of mass of a rigid body. When a bulk object, example a bat, is thrown at an angle in air, do all the points of the body take a parabolic path? No. Actually, only one point take the parabolic path and all the other points take different path. The one point that takes the parabolic path is a very special point that is called center of mass of the body. Its motion of a single point that is thrown. The definition of center of mass of the body is a point where the entire mass of the body appear to be concentrated. This point can represent the entire body. For regular shape and uniform mass distribution, the center of mass is at the geometric center of the body. For example, a circle and sphere. The center of mass is at their center. In another example, square and rectangle at the point their diagonals meet. And cube and cuboid, it is at the point where their body diagonal meet. For other bodies, for example, irregular object, the center of mass has to be determined using some methods.